All right, welcome back. Yeah. So where I stopped last, I was looking at the current display data has been filtered from 2026 to and above, but the JSON contains 2020. Look at, you can see 2025. You can also see 2024. So we are pulling all data from the JSON irrespective of the current year where this is displaying. So as you can see in this particular place, there's 2024 coming to our reports that we ingested. That's why you can see 2024 here. You can also bring in all the data and filter how you wish. So what have we done now? We have successfully used our application to use API call using the JSON URL from UK bank holidays data, public data. Everybody can use this. Get it into our application, display it down here. As you can see, simple, neat, and easy for anyone to do. Then finally, step 3, ingest it into Dynamics 365 Dataverse. That is exactly what I have done here. I'm just going to make this a little bigger to finally recap this particular video, what we have done. I have successfully followed this step by number 1, showing you the public holiday data here. Let's see how is this good enough? I've showed you the data here. I have, that's number 1. I showed you it contains, current data in front of us here, but it's the JSON behind the scene, the data behind the scene starts from 2024 and above. So for step 2 also, we got the script here. You can use the script, or you can use your AI to generate yours. It will also work. Then finally, we now ingested it into Dynamics 365, and that gave us the data you saw that I have here. This is Dynamics 365 Dataverse. How did the data come here? We used our application called Microsoft Dynamics 365 Dataverse Multi-Environment Pro User. So this is how we have successfully achieved this particular project, where case study 5 got data from a particular source into Dynamics 365, a single source, which is the UK data displayed into Dynamics 365. Thank you very much. This is the end of this particular case study 5. Watch out for other case study. I'll be going to the next case study, and that will be more complex than this. Thank you very much. Bye bye.